So here we have a question on coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry along with some property of parallelogram. Okay, so two things we are going to mix here. Yeah, so that's part of geometry. You can see that's part of the geometry module. If you have not done that, please go through the geometry module and do that completely. Concept bhi karo, practice question bhi karo. It will be easy for you to understand such question. So let's look at the question. So question is here. You can pause the video and try attempting the question by yourself, or we can solve this together. So question is, here we have x comma y, the coordinate of vertices p, q, r, and which is of the parallelogram p, q, r, s. यहाँ पे दिए हुए coordinates, okay, respectively. If the diagonal SQ intersect x-axis at a comma 0, then value of a is what? Now, let me draw the diagram, okay, and the diagram is not drawn with the scale, so please you don't have to worry here much that कि पॉजिटिव नीचे क्यों आ रहा है, ऊपर क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, उन सबको लेके परेशान मत होना. That's not required. We are just using a diagram to understand the positions of each point. Okay, so P, the coordinate of P is -3, -2. Okay, Q is 1, -5. Then R, which is 9, 1, and S we need to find out, right? Okay. Now, parallelogram has a property that its diagonals, they intersect, or I should say they bisect each other. So that's a midpoint. Let's say if I say M, so M is a midpoint of PR and SQ. M is a midpoint of PR and SQ. Keep this in mind. Chalega? Okay. So because it is midpoint of this, तो हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? The coordinate of M should be common, right? So M का coordinate should be common. अभी इसको remember this is a property. Proof करूँ क्या? कि direct property कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप direct property भी याद कर सकते हो. So only in case of parallelogram, or you can do this with rhombus also. Rhombus also has the same thing. Wherever you find the diagonals are bisecting each other, you can apply this property. The property is the coordinate of the coordinate of vertices, opposite vertices, sum of them is equal to coordinate of other two vertices. Okay, I'm confusing. Okay, देखो मैं लिख के बता रहा हूँ. So basically, coordinate of S plus coordinate of Q should be equal to coordinate of P plus coordinate of R. और ये हुआ कैसे? Because P, Q and R, P, R and SQ, they have same common point which is bisecting both of them, M. Okay, so it's property for this. So आप इसको as a parallelogram का property याद करके भी रख सकते हो. ठीक है, that will be beneficial for you. All right. So this happens in any quadrilateral which diagonals are bisecting each other. Okay, fine. So with using this, I can find the coordinate of S. कैसे निकालेंगे? So here coordinate of S, let's say it is x comma y, which we need to find out, where Q का coordinate we know that it is 1, -5, and then here we have the coordinate of P, which is what, -3, -2, and coordinate of R, which is what, 9, 1. Okay. अब देखो इसको प्यार से करना, अच्छे से करना, easy है. ये ऐसा सवालों पे सवाल उठने से पहले first look at the solution. So here x coordinate can be added only with the x coordinate. Here यहाँ पे ये चीज़ ध्यान रखना. Okay, don't just do -3, -2 equal to -5. ऐसा मत करना. X coordinate, do calculation with x coordinate. So -3 plus 9 is +6 and -2 plus 1 is -1. So this you got another coordinate. ये किसी point के coordinate नहीं है. Now to find the coordinate of S, which is x comma y, I'll take this 1, -5 to the other side will become minus. ये आपको minus करना है किससे? 1, -5 से. Keep this in mind. Now here 6 minus 1 will become 6 minus 1 will become 5, and minus 1 minus of -5 मतलब +5. So -1 plus 5 is becoming what? 4. So you got what? You got x comma y as 5, 4. Okay, 5, 4 आया आपको यहाँ पे. So The coordinate here is what? 5, 4. 5, 4. Are we done here? No, that's not our question. Question is, now here if the this diagonal SQ intersects somewhere, it's not necessary on the midpoint, somewhere, कहीं पे भी x coordinate को ऐसा intersect करता है. So this coordinate is a comma 0 as per them. So what is the value? Then value of a is what? Okay. So I can use what here? I can say in this case, ध्यान से समझना, let's take only this as a point. Okay. Point क्या बोलूँ मैं इसको? n. Okay, चलो let's call it n. Okay. So now S, N and Q. S, N and Q, they are collinear. They are in the straight line. It means slope matlab the angle subtended or angle with the positive side of x-axis. That's called slope. Again, we have discussed in coordinate geometry. Yeah? So slope for SQ and slope of NQ should be same because hai to wo same hi line na. So inclination with the x-axis should be same, right? So that way I'll keep this in mind and find first of all the slope of SQ. If SQ kya hai? S is what? 5, 4. So that's why the coordinate of S was important to us. Okay, 5, 4 and here Q is what? 1, -5. अब slope कैसे निकालते हो आप? Y coordinate minus Y coordinate and then X coordinate minus X coordinate. Okay, so Y minus Y, this will be how much? This will be what? -5 -4. So -5. So for SQ, the slope is what? -5 -4. So that become -9. चलेगा बाद में देखते हैं. And then -9 -5. This become what? 1 -5. 1 -5. This become what? -3. So ये बन जाएगा आपका -9 by. So -5 -4 here divided by 1. अरे क्या कहाँ गायब हो गया? Let me change the color. 1 -5. So 1 -5 is what? 1 -5 is what? -4, right? So this become what? 9 by 4. That is the slope of SQ. Slope का formula सबको पता होना चाहिए. Yeah? Shall I write the formula once again? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We have discussed this in coordinate geometry. Okay. Now it should be same. It should be equal to q nq. Now n जहाँ पे आपके पास क्या है? A. The x coordinate A. This is what we need to find out. So here you will say, okay, now n which is A, 0. अब आप इसका slope कैसे निकालोगे? -5 -0. Let me remove this. Okay. And then A 1 minus A. Okay. So here it is -5 -0 by 1 minus A. Yeah. So you can see if this is the equation, then A is the only unknown thing here. You can simplify and get the value of A. So if you cross multiply here, this become what? -5. So here I take 1 minus A to the left hand side and 9 by 4 directly उधर लेके जाते हैं because वहाँ सिर्फ -5 है. So -5 into 4 by 9. So this become what? -20 by 9 and this is 1 minus A. So A is equal to, जिसको उधर लेके जाके पॉजिटिव बनाएंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले जाके पॉजिटिव बनाएंगे. Now A is equal to 1 plus 20 by 9. So if you simplify this further, you should get what? 29 by 9 as the value of A, and that's what we need to find out. Have we got the answer? Yes. Option number D is the answer. I hope you got this. Yes. So coordinate geometry is the key. Let's try the next question.